Okay, let's do another corner. See what we can do. Now I want them to be the exact same leg. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bar here, use this one as a template. This one needs to come here. This one needs to come here. Flush with this. Go ahead and give it one magnet here. Push it until it's square. And let's hope it stays this way. Have another magnet. Yes. I'll play with 3 magnets this time. Try and hold it better in place. Like this. Tack weld only. Rubber beads. Tack weld only. So we can weld it square in the back. No, tack weld, tack weld, tack weld, tack weld. Make it square somehow. Then weld everything up. Here, I'm gonna put my ground here. On the same piece that I want to weld. Okay, so now I'm grounded. Okay, that's better. This piece here, which I've cleaned it up before, it's still gonna be the right length. Hopefully it is. Oh, pretty close actually. Pretty close, pretty darn close. I think I just need to trim it a bit. And should be somewhat square, maybe. Not necessarily. That's the thing. Now I need to clean up this piece on both ends. These 2 pieces on both ends here. I think I can remove these because it's gonna hold. It's not strong yet, but it's gonna hold. Getting the magnets. Didn't work all that good, so I'm gonna go back for 2. Okay, so the next piece needs to be inside here. So this way it's going to be the exact same length. Yep. Pretty much. Pretty much the exact same length. Right here. Right here. 90 degrees, please. Okay. Very well. 90 degrees here, like this. I'm going to tackle up this as well. Do you think I can hold it like this? What do you think? Write it in the comments. Behind it, it's kind of holding itself. So this is vertical. But the wall will be horizontal, so I think that's going to be better. It's going to be more better, hopefully. Let's see, maybe if I grind this, next time I can use it as a grounding point for the clamp. Support. Missed it. stack on there. Should move. And then just need to move this over here. Okay, so everything is tucked in. What is straight and what is not. So this needs to come back down here. This. Yeah. Idea. Not sure it will work, but I got an idea. So the point is, I want this one to be straight. This one to be straight, this one to be straight, and then this one should be straight. And if I can force this one straight like this, with the strap, I weld it in on both sides, then work my way around, should be able to get it straight. Should. Just to like that. Not a square. No. Maybe I can get this one square. Tack wheels. Just let go. Looks pretty good actually. Okay, let's try it like this. Worst case scenario, it's not square. And I don't care because I'm learning. Pieces together. So this looks like it's welded. I think I might have been going too fast, and now it's too much. There's too much angle. Let's remove this. This was not at all useful. Not too sure. This one looks like it might have been pretty good. So you see, this one here, what we're focusing right now, looks like might have been pretty good, except for here. Hopefully you can see there's like a hole down here. So I feel like the first part might have been bad. This part after it was good. I came back here to try and fill it in and didn't quite work out. Yeah. There's only this piece here that I need to finish welding. We'll invest in a jacket. Brushing it off. Looks pretty darn good! Hey, would you look at that? This is the last one I did. Looks good, but it's not equal. So, but I think I'm on the right track with this one. And on the inside, looks pretty good. And on this side here, I think there's a good progression. And then I still have one left to do here. Forgot about this one. For this one, I think I started okay, but at the end, which I started okay, but I was too low, and I came back up. I think I was too long, too far away from the surface. I'm in the frame. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'm pretty satisfied with the work I've done today. I thought it was gonna be shorter, but I guess that's part of the learning process. Build a frame, build a square. Not so square I think. Lessons learned, I need to control my speed better, I need to be close, I need to be kind of slow, give it enough material to melt and actually bond the metal together. Also learned I may need a fume extractor because it is cloudy in here. I guess it's the flux. Yeah, pretty satisfied with the work we've done. Turned on the welder to do something else than just feed wire. Actually welded things. I like it. So tomorrow maybe, if I have time, I'm gonna cut this piece in half. Make the frame inside. Maybe I can use the last bar to try and push this out because it's kind of curved. Try and push it out with another 18-inch piece, and maybe I'll be able to square it off a little bit. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and see you in the next video.